Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a demo account right here on Global Prime. Right now the first thing that you need to do is go to accounts and then select right here demo. Then from here you can click right here on a new account, and if you don't have any account you can also click here in the middle, but we click here on new account and now we need to set up our account. So select demo, I select MT5, account type standard, currency US dollars, and the leverage 1 to 10 is fine. Then select here an amount of 100k, or let's do 200k, that's fine. And then click on create account. So now he's creating your account and your login details, he will send that to your email address. But right now when we are refreshing this page, so this costs you sometimes around 15 seconds. But now if we are refreshing this page and we click after this on demo right there, you will see that he is still setting up our account. The first account is already there, but this costs Global Prime around 15 to 30 seconds. So right now I received the mail on my phone, and let's do one little check right here, guys, because now it definitely needs to be there. And let's give a look. There it is. Our 200k account, demo account, is now standing right there. So this is how you can create your demo account on Global Prime. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.